Imagine a life where you're not anxiously waiting for your next paycheck. Welcome to our channel, where we empower you to take control of your finances. Today we're delving into a topic that's all too familiar for many of us: living paycheck to paycheck. It's a stressful cycle, isn't it? The worry, the anxiety, the constant juggling of bills. But what if we told you it doesn't have to be this way? What if you could break free from this never-ending cycle and gain financial freedom? That's exactly what we're here to discuss today. We're going to provide a step-by-step guide, sharing insights and strategies that help me stop living paycheck to paycheck. No magic tricks, no get-rich-quick schemes, just practical advice that you can start implementing today. We're on a journey towards financial independence, and we're glad you're joining us. Stay with us to discover how I stopped living paycheck to paycheck. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. The first step to financial freedom is understanding your current financial situation. Getting a clear picture of your financial health is like getting an annual checkup. It's essential, but not always comfortable. Let's break it down into 4 main segments: income, expenses, debts, and savings. Your income is the money you earn. It's your financial fuel, powering your lifestyle, your dreams, and your goals. But just like a car with a leaky gas tank, if your expenses are too high, you'll find yourself running on empty before you know it. Expenses are all the things you spend money on, from necessities like housing and food to luxuries like vacations or that fancy coffee you treat yourself to every Friday. It's crucial to know where your money is going. Not all expenses are created equal, and understanding what's necessary versus what's a luxury can help you make smarter financial decisions. Now let's talk about debt. Whether it's student loans, credit cards, or a mortgage, debt is a reality for many of us. But not all debt is bad. There's a difference between good debt, which might help you increase your net worth or income over time, and bad debt, which does nothing but drain your financial resources. Savings, the last piece of the puzzle, are your financial safety net. It's the money you put aside for emergencies, future expenses, or goals. The more you can save, the more financially secure you'll be. Once you've got a clear picture of these 4 aspects of your financial situation, it's time to create a budget. A budget is like a financial roadmap guiding you towards your financial goals. It helps you manage your money, ensuring that you're not spending more than you earn and that you're saving enough for your future. Understanding your financial situation might seem daunting, but it's the first crucial step towards achieving financial freedom. It's like turning on a light in a dark room. Suddenly, you can see everything clearly, and it's much easier to navigate your way. Remember, you can't manage what you don't measure, so start assessing your financial situation today. Now that you understand your financial situation, it's time to scrutinize your expenses. It's easy to fall into the trap of spending on things that we think we need, but in reality, are simply luxuries that we've become accustomed to. So, the first step towards cutting down on expenses involves identifying and eliminating these unnecessary expenditures. These could be anything from monthly subscriptions you barely use to that daily cup of coffee you grab on your way to work. One of the most effective ways to reduce spending is by cooking at home more often. Eating out may be convenient, but it's also a major drain on your wallet. With a little planning and preparation, you can whip up delicious meals at home for a fraction of the price. Next, let's talk about shopping smarter. Ever noticed how those little impulse purchases can add up? Well, they do. Try to resist the urge to buy things on the spot. Instead, take some time to consider if you really need it. If you still think it's necessary after a couple of days, then go for it. It's all about differentiating between needs and wants. One more thing, don't overlook the power of negotiation. Whether it's your internet service, mobile plan, or gym membership, there's often room for a discount. All you have to do is ask. Additionally, consider going for second-hand items whenever possible. They're not only cheaper, but also a great way to reduce waste and contribute to a more sustainable world. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. It may seem like a daunting task at first, but with a little discipline and determination, you'll see your expenses diminish. And finally, keep track of your spending. There are plenty of budgeting apps out there that can help you with this. They'll give you a clear picture of where your money is going and highlight areas where you can cut back. By reducing your expenses, you can start to create a financial buffer for yourself. And that, my friends, is the foundation of financial freedom. While cutting expenses is crucial, boosting your income can accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Let's delve into the various ways you can increase your income. One of the most straightforward methods is simply to ask for a raise. It may feel uncomfortable, but remember, you're advocating for your worth. Do some research, know what others in your field are earning, and present your case confidently. It's a conversation worth having. Then there's the option of getting a second job. This doesn't necessarily mean working 80 hours a week. It could be a part-time gig or a weekend job. It might be demanding, but it can also be rewarding, not just financially, but also in terms of gaining new skills and experiences. But if you're looking for a more flexible way to earn extra money, consider starting a side hustle. This could be anything from freelance writing to dog walking, graphic design to selling handmade crafts. The beauty of a side hustle is that it allows you to turn your passions into profit, all on your own terms. Let's not forget about passive income money you earn with minimal active effort, like rental income or earnings from investments. Passive income can provide a steady stream of revenue even when you're not actively working. The key here is to diversify your income streams. It's like the old saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. By diversifying, you're not only increasing your income, but also safeguarding yourself against unforeseen circumstances. And remember, every extra dollar you earn is another dollar you can use to pay off debt, save, or invest. It's not just about making more money. It's about creating more opportunities for yourself and your future. Increasing your income can provide you with more financial breathing room. So, take some time to consider these options and see which ones could work for you. Your journey to financial freedom is your own, and you have the power to shape it as you see fit. With your expenses cut and income increased, it's time to talk about saving and investing. It's like learning a new language, the language of money, where the vocabulary is composed of words like emergency fund, retirement savings, and investments. Now, an emergency fund isn't just a fancy term for a piggy bank. It's a financial buffer, a lifeboat in the stormy sea of unpredictability. Whether it's a car repair, a medical emergency, or a sudden job loss, an emergency fund is there to keep you afloat. The rule of thumb is to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses tucked away. This might sound daunting, but remember, it's not a sprint but a marathon. Start small and increase gradually. Next on our list is retirement savings. It's easy to push this to the back of your mind, especially when retirement seems like a distant future. But the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Consider setting up automatic contributions to a retirement account. Even a small amount consistently saved can yield significant returns over time. Now let's talk about investing. Investing is like planting a seed today and reaping the fruits tomorrow. It's a way to make your money work for you. You could invest in stocks, bonds, or real estate, or even start your own business. It's important to do your research and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Remember, all investments carry some level of risk, but they also have the potential for great reward. The journey to financial independence can be challenging, but it's also empowering. It's about taking control of your money so it doesn't control you. It's about planning for the future so you can enjoy the present. Remember, every little bit you save or invest brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Breaking free from living paycheck to paycheck isn't easy, but it's absolutely possible. We've journeyed together through understanding our financial situation, cutting down on expenses, boosting income, and finally, saving and investing. Remember, this isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, patience, and a whole lot of consistency. Each step is a building block towards a more secure financial future. Understanding your financial situation is the foundation. Cutting down on expenses is the first layer. Boosting your income adds to the structure, and saving and investing tops it off. The journey towards financial freedom isn't always easy, and there will be bumps along the way. But with each paycheck, we're moving one step closer to breaking free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with others who might benefit. Here's to your journey towards financial freedom, one paycheck at a time.